Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Vlogmas day number 10. I hope it's day number 10. I'm so confused on my days, y'all. Pre-filming, man. Woo! Try to keep everything straight and you're filming 2 or 3 or 4 different things at a time. It's one of the reasons why pre-filming does not work for me because I get so confused about what I'm supposed to be filming. But anywho, day number 10. We are in Jackson's room today. We are going through, it's not bad. I think you can wear it through this season. We can do it through this season and then next season we'll be able to pass it along. So we're going through some clothes in his room. We have a dear sweet friend who has a son a little older than Jack. Is Zan older than you, Jack, or y'all the same age? Zan's a little older than Jackson. And when he grows out of things, Mom just says, hey, Shakema, we got a bag of some stuff. And I'm like, perfect. We don't turn anything down around here. Partially because I don't know if people really notice it. I don't really do a lot of clothing shopping or planning for that in my budget. I always shop Goodwill sales, or I'll shop deep clearance at Walmart or wherever I can find a deep clearance. So you don't see a lot of those types of things. But we honestly, between Zan and we have another little friend named Jason. Jason's probably too big now. I think that would be okay. He had a growth spurt and he's gotten real tall. So Jackson can't fit any of his things anymore. But between Zan and just a couple other things, and like yesterday I went to Goodwill and I had to find him some pants. And I found 2 pairs of pants, 2 shirts, and 2 jackets. So blazer type things, because they're doing a play at church and he needed something and I had to go to Goodwill. So I just went over and picked him up a few things. And between that, I don't usually have to spend a lot of money on him. But we're going through his closets to make sure that everything that's in there fits. Because she just gave us another bag yesterday. And then we just found a bag in his closet that she had given us. So I want to make sure that we're just not holding things. But we are pulling out all of the nicer pieces that we can then pass along to somebody else. And then we are refreshing his closet. So we're going to head into Jackson's room and see what we've already gotten so far and where we are moving forward in just a few minutes. Okay, so far, here's what we're working with. These are some of the pieces that we think are just too big. I meant too small. These are some of the things that he still can't fit. We actually found this Children's Place. It's a blazer, size 10. It's like a velvet. And we got this, I think at Goodwill. I can't even remember, but it's too small. So we are going to pass along. I just got him 2 new of these from Goodwill. They were $3.19 a piece. And they are, both of them are black. One he's using in the program that the kids are having tomorrow. And then one just because he will need that. So, you know, when we go to my dad's church in South Carolina, they dress up for church. When we go to our church, you can wear jeans and no problem. So if we go to visiting churches and then when Mom is out preaching and different things, I always like my kids to have something nice to wear depending on where we're going for that speaking engagement. So sometimes you have to wear nicer things and sometimes you can, they have dressed down church. Whichever is perfect. So these are a couple of the pieces, and most of these I got from Goodwill. Like this Azad, I got that from Goodwill. That George, I probably got that from Goodwill. That or Walmart. But there's some long sleeve shirts. I got that one from Walmart. Here's a couple with some collars. So they're good pieces. We're going to check with one friend to see if she wants anything. If not, we're going to put it on like a local, one of our homeschool groups on Facebook and see if anybody has a boy this size that needs a few things. Look, these 2 pairs of pants. Figure it out, but I think they're long enough. And we can just put them, they might be too long. Are those the long ones? 16s. So why don't we go ahead and just fold those, put them underneath all the other ones that we know work. See, there's
we were just going to wait, maybe next summer.
That's what I'm saying. So put them all underneath those 2 pair. Put them underneath all the other ones we know that fit. And then when we go through the drawer again, we'll come back around to those. So here's a bag that Jennifer got for us, and then there's another bag. And then here are all the, are those 16s as well? Hangers that we have just taken things off of because we do need to keep our hangers. So just fold those two and then put them under the bottom of all the other pants in that drawer right there. The ones we know that fit, right? So just take a few out, put those two in, and then put everything back on top of those. And then we'll know we have everything that will fit for us. And so that cleaned out his closet just a hair. He is not the best as far as organization. Jackson, Mama wants you to hang all your shirts going the same way, Bubba.
What do you mean?
That means if the buttons are facing the front, then all the buttons have to face the front.
Oh, okay.
And then also put the short sleeves in the front and the long sleeves in the back. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She also sent you a jacket. So if your other small jacket is too small,
Small jacket, ma'am.
like this thing right here.
I can let that one down.
Okay, she sent you another kind of a gray jacket. And then also, let's do button downs with button downs. And then, so if you have button downs, long sleeve, this is button down, short sleeve. And we'll do all of like the collared shirts in the front of the button downs, right? And then like the hoodie type things, we'll put that in the back of these ones with no collars. So collars, and please make sure to at least button one of the buttons, bud, so they don't fall off. So button one of the buttons on here, so it doesn't, like that, so it doesn't fall off. That one's already buttoned. It's buttoned wrong. There. See how this one goes with that? Yeah, button one of them at least, and then they won't fall off. And then when you're done going through, we can put everything back, okay? And then it's still wrong. Okay. Please. Okay. Yeah, you bother me. All right, that works. Talbot's Kids, I got that at Goodwill. I did. Yes, I did. Anywho, I'm going to go message Carissa to see if she wants any of these old things. Not old things. They're still good wear. Jackson just had a growth spurt and he can't wear them. We don't give away clothes that other people can't wear. You know, we don't give away junk. We prefer to just go ahead and toss anything that's been extended wear. So if he's had something and he's just worn it through, we'll go ahead and toss that. But if it still has good wear, we will definitely make sure we can try to find a home for it. And if we can't, then we'll send it to the Goodwill if it still has life in it. If it doesn't have any life, we will then go ahead. Yeah, see, turn your hanger around so that the hanger is facing the, see what I'm saying? Is that one too small?
It's an 8.
Oh, it's an 8. Oh, it is too small. Okay, moving along to check on these bags. All right, so Jackson and I have 2 bags here that we're going to go through and look to see which of these things he can fit. You want to grab that bag too, Bella? And whatever we can keep, we're going to keep and put into his closet or his drawers. And then whatever we need to move along, we're just going to move along. We have a Facebook group we can put stuff in. And like I said, we don't give away things that are not still of good quality. But we don't just like to, I can't keep a lot of stuff in the house because I just don't keep a lot of stuff in the house. We prefer to go ahead and move things, rotate things over so I know what I am needing to keep and what I am needing to get rid of. So I'm going to go through these things. He's going to go through some of those and we'll see what we can keep and what we can pass along. Yeah, we need to keep those pants though because
these are 14.
You need some options for pants. Why don't you go try them on? That's the only way to know. I mean, it's not going to hurt. What about these baller pants?
What does that mean?
Shorts. They're just like basketball shorts. You got a drawer for shorts. If you want to keep these, you can. But you're going to need to put them in that one drawer. Those are short. You might want to try those on. I don't know. I got some swimming pants. We're going to go ahead and pass that along. Some of these are, they say large, but I don't know a large who. You have to try on those pairs, Jackson. These must have been at the end of the summer she gave us these. Because these are all swimming trunks and things. Okay. Swimming trunks. Let me see. Probably in a couple months they won't be bad. Or you can just pull the drawstring more. We'll keep them. And then just put them with the other 16s. But I need you to go. I need you to go through these shorts. And then we'll figure out these swimming trunk things. These look super big. 14. Well, they got a drawstring thing. I don't know. I don't know. I don't think you got enough to hold that up, Bubba. Mom's just going to make an executive decision on that. And then how many pairs of swimming trunks does one kid need? Probably not. It's up to you. If they fit perfectly for you, then you're welcome to keep them. But there's a couple of those swim trunks in here that I'm going over. Here's a pair of swim pants. I meant jogging pants. Pair of like sweatpant things that you like to wear. So try those on. And if one of those pairs of shorts fit, then I'm sure they all will fit. There's another pair. And then here is a really big. This looks like a man's shirt, so I'm going to move that along because it's just too big for us. And we'll just keep one pair of swimming trunks because we just don't need too many of those. All right, that'll work out fine. And there's more jammies. Those are perfectly. These are jammies. Oh, those are too short.
Yes,
finally. Try that one and see if that one works out.
That is good.
Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. So if you want to pass along that other jacket, it's perfect. This one can go on a hanger.
Is this the other bag?
Yeah, this is the second bag. Those things right there are going to go in that other bag over there.
These ones?
These. You want to try these pants on? Or you want to keep these or not?
I'll try them.
Okay. Just for walking around the house, it'll be okay anyway. I mean, if you're not going, we ain't really going nowhere. Not with these pants anyway. And then here's another pair of those sweat jogging pants things. Okay. All of those are like t-shirty type things. I'm not going to hang those. You'll have to remember that they're in your drawer. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Because they take up too much hangers if we hang on them. Here's the Taekwondo shirt if you need a new one. For wearing. Alright. Okay. 2 of them. 2 shirts if you need to wear. And then again, that's Under Armour, so you can. Perfect. Whatever you want to do. If you want to keep it, then let's make a room for it. Probably, Jackson, in that one drawer where you have shorts, we'll need to either put some sweatpants in that one as well. You can put sweatpants, just move the shorts over, and then make sure you have enough room in that other drawer for your t-shirts.
What do you think?
Come around. I think that we need to grease your scalp, and it's fine. You're probably going to find Do we have rollies?
Rollies? I think I have all of them in my closet.
To roll the end of your hair so you can have curls tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we've gone through the 2 bags that we had. We found some pieces he can keep. We found some pieces that we can pass along, and we're doing good. So we're going to get everything squared away. She washed everything for us, so we know everything is clean. We know their family very well, so we know that she did everything she was supposed to. And we're just going to put things up, and then we will let you see what it looks like in his room with all of the new pieces as we have moved out some of the older pieces. Alrighty, so here we are. We have culled down the majority of his things. We've taken out the things that no longer fit. We have put a bag together for anybody. I posted it in a couple of groups to see if anybody wanted to come by for a porch pickup for some boys size 10-12 items. And that is the end of that. So there's what that looks like. Those are just his hanging shirts. And then we have also gotten together with his, so in his drawers, we've got t-shirts, we've got shorts and just sweatpants that he wears around the house. And then we have his regular pants for like church and just going out of the house. So we're finishing up. We did find a few more extra hangers that Mom can use in her closet, because we need extra hangers. Those are his old uniforms that he does not want to throw away. He has memories, right, bud?
Mm-hmm.
So thank the people for coming to Vlogmas Day number 10.
Thanks, friends, for coming to Vlogmas Day.
Tell them what to do.
Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.